Industry analysts are predicting that between 20 and 30% of work delivered across all sectors may be automated, enabled by a new breed of flexible, light-touch automation technologies such as robotic process automation, or RPA. RPA platforms process massive volumes of repetitive tasks without errors, in a fraction of the time it would take a human to perform, and can do so without interruption 24 hours a day, and without the risk of human error often associated with this sort of work. RPA enables humans to focus on the added value activities. RPA can be applied to a wide range of processes, from simple task-driven activities such as submitting invoices for payment, through to enabling customer journeys to be reimagined across existing systems and legacy platforms. For example, reducing mortgage application lead times from weeks and months to hours and days. These wide-ranging possibilities mean that 4 out of 5 members of the C-suite view automation as a foundation for their operations strategy, and 98% of enterprises have an automation agenda. But, despite the high level of interest and the technology's potential, there appears to be a glass ceiling on deployments, meaning only 4% of organizations globally claim to be delivering RPA at scale. Fujitsu estimates that these barriers to scale out are costing enterprises between 12 and 16% in savings on operating budgets. Our research also indicates that while there are isolated examples of enterprise robot farms in the thousands, most are stuck at 50 robots or fewer. Enterprises are struggling with uncertainty over the size of the potential prize, how much to invest, and overcoming a new set of scaling challenges associated with large-scale technology adoption. To enable enterprises to break through this glass ceiling, Fujitsu has developed an end-to-end industrialized automation operating model. This helps customers more easily reap the massive potential benefits of this disruptive technology and put you on the fast track to automation maturity. The model directly addresses customers' technical and non-technical needs, as well as any barriers to the scale-out needed for breakthrough operating savings. We deliver this via 3 resources dedicated to RPA deployment. Fujitsu's Agile Automation Factory speeds up RPA scale-out by leveraging Agile and DevOps principles for accelerated deployment. Our Robotics Operations Center is a 24/7 dedicated support function, providing high availability and high-performance resources, able to efficiently support very large robot farms measured in the thousands. While demand for back-office skills is set to drop by 30%, there is a massive increase in technical skills demand. The Fujitsu Automation Academy is designed to enable enterprises to manage this skill shift and tackle the war on talent. It ensures you not only obtain the highly skilled technical resources you need, but are also able to offer upskilling for employees displaced by automation. Armed with these world-class automation assets, Fujitsu guides your enterprise from pilot to mobilization in as little as 4 weeks, and onto scale-out in a further 12 weeks. Fujitsu is working with a global logistics company, which employ over 350,000 people across 700 companies. We're partnering with the company's IT support unit, which has a remit of promoting digitalization across the group, and as part of this drive, operates an RPA competence center, offering RPA services for internal customers. During its partnership, Fujitsu has helped its customer reduce the time needed for RPA automations by 70%, achieve 50% more efficient RPA execution, and increase utilization rates by 30%. Fujitsu's involvement has also created the potential to reduce pressures on employees, with the removal of cumbersome routine tasks, increasing staff motivation and satisfaction. The Fujitsu Industrialized Automation Operating Model is a key enabler in reimagining the future of work in the 21st century, enabling your employees to add greater value to your enterprise. Fujitsu Industrialized Automation. Break through the scale-out glass ceiling. Fujitsu. Shaping tomorrow with you.